let us design a letterheaded paper and look for the template that we will use for the letterhead. So you just scroll down and look for letterhead. Come here and search for letterhead. These are templates of letterhead you can use. So we are going to make this very simple. So what you just need to do is click on any of this and use it as your template. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to do like 2 different letterhead paper. Letterhead is very simple, very simple. It's actually one of the simplest designs you can create, especially for a template. So you have your company logo here. So we're going to click on this, delete this, click on plus and on uploads, then click on your logo. So we have our logo here. So move it up here. So since our logo is here, I can delete this one. So what you just need to do is come here, delete this, everything here you delete it. So this is the letterhead that has been written on already as template. So what you just do is come here and change the address. So you click here, edit, and put number 2 upper Volta close or further more. So put your phone number here. You can change these icons. This is telephone. So change the telephone. You can change the color to, remember the kind of red we used the last time. So we use red. Click here, red, and it has another color already. So these are the colors you are going to see. If we click here, so these are the colors here. So you click on each one of these colors here and change to whatever you want to change it to. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 elements made into an envelope. So you click on each color and change it to red. In this next blue, you change it to red. So if that is how you want it. So this website too, if it's your Telegram, Instagram, you can delete, then add plus, click on plus, click on elements and look for Instagram. Instagram icon, this is Instagram icon. You reduce it to the size of the ones that were here. So you see that this is bigger, so you reduce it, you let it touch the other one, so let it align with the ones that are there like this. Then you can click on color and change that one to red. So makes sense. So you just click on www dot that was there before and edit. When you edit, you now click on Kiki Clothiers NG. You know, that was the this thing we were using before. If this email hello at kiki blah blah blah.com, your phone number, you put your phone number like this. Then if it's the website, if you have a website, you can click on edit it and say hello at kiki clothiers.ng.com. So this is how simple it can be, and you can make, you can remember all the colors. This anything design that is here, you can change the color, and remember your brand color. This is red and this is supposed to be black, not gray. So you click on this line. So these are the tiny designs that affect your brand. So put black, and yes, we have red and black. So you can decide to change the design and put, so this is okay like this. So we have our letterhead already. So let's go back to another one. On doing another letterhead, I want to just show you how we can make another letterhead. Just like showing you the things that can go one way or the other with letterhead, the things you can do, and how you can make it more sweeter. So let's look for one to do out of these ones. So this is another one here. So we have this, and what you can do is click here, delete it, add your logo, click on uploads, and if your logo is here, you can add your logo here and reduce the size. So you can put your logo here, center it here. Then if your address is supposed to be here, you put your address here. This is your number, your address, your site. Remember we did the other one. You can decide to add the icons, and you may not add icons. It's not compulsory. I'll delete this. All these ones do not have any color to them. So what I can do is I can do plus elements and look for line. So I click on lines, I look for line, something like this, and click here. So then what I will now do is click on line style. If I click on line style, it's going to give me different kind of line style that I can use. So let me click on just this one. I don't need any kind of extra. This line weight, I increase the line weight. Line rounded end point, let me give it rounded end point. So I now use it, increase it. I can work on it this way. And put it here like this. Then I can click to duplicate it. Instead of creating another line, I can duplicate like this and bring the second one here. It actually depends on my level of creativity. Line color, I click on line color and turn it to red. So remember that our brand color is affected by these things. So I'll just click here, delete, click here, click on the wordings and delete. So my number and everything is going to be here. If I click on this one, zoom it, edit, and I have 0810654. So if I click on address and put number 2 upper volta close to way. So, and if I don't like the way it is, I'll just adjust it. So it doesn't want to be adjusted. So I'll click on this one and put Kiki Clothiers NG. So let's leave it like this. Okay, it has to align. So this is aligned now. So I have my letter here. So what I will just do is click save here, download, and PDF standard, and I will download it. So that's exactly how you can create a letterhead for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and watch out for more other ones. So that is how you can do letterhead. You can create any kind of design for yourself. Just make sure that it is something that will work well for you. I can decide to make it like this and do something fine. I'll just follow my color. Mhm. It's so very simple, very simple. Just design something creative. That's exactly um what you can do. Doesn't have to be the norm of what everybody is doing. This is another thing here too. So I'll just make sure that I follow a good pattern. So this is another way I can do the letterhead. I can still bring it down. So it depends on you actually. It depends on you. So this is another way you can do it. So very simple, very simple. Thank you.